Hello. Couple of change of plans to the original plan. We were going to wild camp tonight, but the weather's just too wild. So we're going to head to Cae Amos Bothy and hunker down there for the night. Look at this. Joined tonight by Mark and Simon from Twin Peaks Wild Camping. Yeah, so we knocked the wild camping on the head and we're going to do a spot of body instead. New one for all three of us today, so can't see many people being out tonight, so we'll probably have it to ourselves, but the more the merrier. In a bit. Quite typical really. We're about halfway to the Bothy, maybe a little more. It's stopping raining, clouds are lifting, skies are clearing. Typical. Oh well, we've committed now, so Bothy it is. Sorry for the heavy breathing, it's actually quite warm, so we're all sweating. In a bit. Yeah, looks like they've already got some occupants. Smoke coming out the chimney, but we can see the roof now. Happy days. Three camp beds. Ideal. We're off the floor, right above where the fire is. Oh, superb. Yeah, it looks good in this, isn't it? What's the other room like? Yeah, and the second room. Oh, it's a bit bigger, isn't it? Morning all. Fantastic night at the Bothy. Met some cracking lads. Oshan, Kieran and Mark. Local lads. And Chris, Simon and Stuart from the Wirral. Yeah, it was a good night. A few drinks. Good laugh, roaring fire, and best Bothy I've stayed at by far. So yeah, give you a little look around now. There's the Bothy down there. All the lads, Mark and Simon at the back. A couple of young lads who are camping over by the stream, stroke river. Just in the distance you can make out Port Maddock. Bay. And Mole Hair Bog. And the Bothy. Cae Amos. Squelchy. Fucking stinks as well. Oh, language. Well, that's the end of another adventure with Mark and Simon. An unplanned night at a Bothy. Turned out to be a fantastic night. Great company, good laugh, beers were flowing, fire roaring, happy days. Take it easy. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Toodaloo.